In front of me is Motorola Razr 60, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice. So this was the first one, and a second one. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine turned blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!